Hey, it's Mei! It's fun to draw a cartoon elephant, step by step. First, draw that humongous ear like a letter C. Draw the inside of the ear. And move on into the big forehead and small little trunk. Add a short tusk like a curved triangle, like that. And add a big eye. This elephant is for all those who requested one. To request, just comment below or on my channel. If I haven't gotten to yours yet, just keep commenting. You never know when I might draw yours. Highlight in the eye to make it look shiny and shade it in, like that. Little eyebrow. And draw the other ear, like that, to make the head look more 3D. Now let's move on into the body. Keep the legs short and thick. And add small little toes. Draw the back leg, add a big belly, and add a short little tail. Once you're done finishing this cute elephant, try drawing the other characters on my channel, like the tiger or panda. There you go! To be the first to see new Fun2draw videos, subscribe here. And you can watch more cool and cute drawing videos on my channel by clicking here. Thanks for watching and sharing my videos, and see you next time!